Hello guys. It's like another video, I guess. Um I have no idea what to say now. Well, like I'm kind of sick, I guess. Yeah, I'm like sick. So I don't know. Um I just wanted to do like a little thing like about drawing, like a video about drawing. And I also wanted to do like what's it called? What's it called? I wanted to do a live stream about drawing, but that's my flashlight on the right. But I need to get like a more subscribers, so yeah. I thought you could just do it immediately, but no, you have to get like more subscribers. So yeah. And my my phone is at like 36, yeah, 36%, because it was probably at like 20 something and I charged it for a bit. But yeah, it's morning. I mean, well, it's the afternoon for me. And I was feeling bored, cause like earlier in the morning, I wanted to like do a video, but I stayed watching YouTube. Ouch. But yeah. Also, you might hear like noise in the background, so yeah. Sometimes I might pause the video if I need to go do something, because I won't leave like the video on. Cause I can like pause the video like for like a little bit, or you know how it works, but yeah. And if I need to go do something, I will pause the video and I'll come back straight to you guys. Like, yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna be right back, guys. Anyways, I'm back. Should I have the flash on or not? Well, I think no, wait, hold on. Hold on. I don't know. The only book I have right now is like Dogmail, What Are the Fleas? This is the only book I have. And I hate, well, I like it, but like I had other books, but I lost them. I don't know if I should have the video like with the flash on, but anyways. Just like, on. What the hell? Anyways. Great, this video is already like 3 minutes long. I already like drew some of it. Sometimes I pause the video, so like, cause like one of my family members are going by and they make a lot of noise. So yeah. Oops, wait, hold on. Oops, wait, hold on. That's messed up. His eyes looking goofy, kind of. I don't know if that's just me or not. I don't know, his eyes look goofy, kind of. Family member was passing by. Oops, sorry. I just missed the thing on the drawing. camera on the drawing. I don't know. I don't know. Like, I really don't know. Hold on, wait. I don't know, chat. This damn, like, paper, I'm sorry, like, this paper won't stay. I have many mechanical pencils, but it's just, like lead pencils, but, like, I, like, you know, like, either they don't have erasers, or they don't have lead, or, like, I just can't find them. Which is, I can't find them, mostly. I have no idea how people can, like draw while holding the camera. I don't know how many people can do that. And I'm not even looking at the paper, I'm just looking at the camera. Well, not all the time, but I just look at the camera sometimes. Oh, I messed up. Hold on. By the way, guys, don't mind my sickness, okay? I think I'm gonna have to go to school like this. If I feel sick the next day, then I don't know. I'm probably gonna have to go to school or not. I'm probably gonna be dying at school if I go to school. Because if the next day I'm still sick and I go to school like that, if I'm forced to go to school like that, then I'm gonna be dying. And if I don't go to school, let's go. I hate school so much. I don't hate school. It's just like, well, you know, like I hate crap. Like you hate school, but like not your friends. Like that's the reason. Like you hate school, but you don't hate your friends. Chat, I got friends on YouTube. What you mean? But yeah, like my in real life friends. Like I like my YouTube friends better than like you know in real life friends because like they're more funnier. You know, like they get you. But like your in real life friends, like I don't know, like how do I explain this? Like to you, you're like your in real life friends. You know, like you're cool with them. You know, but like me, I like my YouTube friends more than my in real life friends. My in real life friends are pretty cool, but like, you know, you get it. You get it, you know. You definitely get it. If you know what I'm talking about. Okay, now my percent is at 28. Don't worry, chat. I'm good. I'm good. It tells me when it's at low battery, when it's like probably at like, when it's at like 15. Oh my god, I feel like sneezing right now. Like I'm tearing up, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. And like, I remember when I was watching one of Zach's streams. I think it was at one time, like when he was with Pumpy. I think that's how you say his name. And in my phone, like it started glitching, and I couldn't get out of YouTube. I couldn't get out of YouTube. I was like, what the hell? Like, and then like the screen, like it was pitch black. Like, and I would try to, I think it was that stream I would try to get out of YouTube, but it would just like stay with the black screen. Like, and I could like it showed that I can, like get out of YouTube, but it didn't let me. Like those little buttons that you have on the like on your phone if you have a phone, because I have a phone, and then you can use them, whatever, yeah, blah blah blah. Well, yeah, but I used that, but it didn't work. Oh my god, I used that, but it didn't work. And so I think that was nighttime or whatever. But and then my phone was gonna die, so I guess I just let it die, cause I knew that if I let it die and then I charge it the next day, um, it would be like normal again. My god, bro, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, here's Max, I guess. He doesn't have his sweater though. This freaking fan is making me mad. What's up, kitty? I don't know. I guess that's it. Whatever, something like that. But now, if you want to read with me, we can. Not me. We can. I remember that I would read this book, and I would scream, I would make it funny for me. I would scream and do this and blah blah blah. I'm a Yapatron, okay? Like I'm a Yapatron. I speak Yapatron, okay? That's a lot of hand sanitizer. Hold on. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, chat, I'm back. I definitely didn't leave to go get the milk real quick. I definitely did. Anyways, I don't know. It's been this video is already 12 minutes long. My phone's at 26 now. Are you freaking kidding me? Bro, I just hand sanitized my hands. And now you're gonna freaking. Bro, my cup literally, the top literally opened and I spilled soda on me. Oh my god. Are you freaking kidding me? Bro, look. Oh my god. I got it on me. Oh my god, bro. What the hell? I just wanted to drink something, man. Why'd you do me dirty? Bro. First I thought the thing said 12 minutes. 12 minutes and 20 something seconds. But it was actually 13 and 40 and 30 something seconds when I look closer. Oh my god, bro. Now I'm full of soda. I'm gonna get